at this ultrasound. The baby's legs are showing in this image. The thigh is imaging in front of the nub area, covering part of it. Luckily, enough of the nub is showing clearly for us to make a prediction. The angle of the nub is in line with baby's spine. We confidently predicted this baby to be a female. And our prediction was correct. It's most definitely a baby girl. What is the nub theory? The nub is baby's developing male or female parts. At 11 weeks, the nub looks the same in both genders. This is why we will only predict from 12 weeks. Male nubs can be stacked or risen, and girl nubs usually are flat and straight. Depending on how clear your image is and the gestation of your baby, it is very accurate. At 14 weeks, the nub is fully developed. How amazing is that?
Predict this baby's gender with me. Clear bladder is imaging. This baby's angle is measuring at 32. Do you know the gender yet? Bulbous nub shot. This baby is a boy, confirmed by the nubologist. Predict this baby's gender with me. Draw round baby's nub and rump. Spine line helps with the angle of the nub. This is baby's bladder imaging. The nub is very clear and straight. This baby is a confirmed girl by the nubologists.
He or she. Let's take a look and see.
For those who think this baby is a boy, this is how it would image if this baby was a male. Notice how the nub is shooting off baby's rump. See how the end is pointing downwards. Always rotate to get your angle. This baby is a confirmed girl by the nubologist.